Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Crafts and National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for Nursery. And today's topic is triangle. Look, I have write down the topic triangle, freehand drawing. Freehand drawing means you won't use any kinds of scale or dies. You just draw freely, only by hand. Okay. And without color, not to do color. Without color means not to do color. And this is your HW also. HW number 3. So, girls and boys, look at the screen. How to draw a triangle. It's a very easy topic, just like A. You know the alphabet A, like A, okay, and then join the another line, okay. If you want, you can give here a face like this, a smiley face, okay. I have said that this one is your HW number 3. You will draw at least 6 triangle. Look, if this one is your copy, you will draw 6 triangle like this. First draw here 1 triangle, 2 and 3, and again draw 1, 2 and 3. Okay, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 triangle is your topic. And before draw the triangle or HW, you just margin this and write down here the HW number. HW number 3. Okay, and if you can write down the topic name also. If you don't, not to need. And if you look this, if you want, you can draw like this type of emo, like eyes, and give here a mouth like this. And if you want, you can use here different type of face. Okay, so everyone must practice and won't use any kinds of scale, just draw by freehand. So dear student, practice at your home and send your HW every Saturday 9 AM to 1 PM. So my dear student, no more today. Thank you.